If you clicked on this video, you probably don't feel all too well, so you should ask yourself, do you have a sore throat, coughs, or other flu symptoms? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a lemon honey tea. Just FYI, even though it's called tea, it doesn't contain any tea. Either way, it will help you relieve some of the symptoms of the flu. It does this through the lemon, which cuts through the congestion, and honey soothes the throat. Okay, so this is what we need to make this concoction. A cup, a lemon, and honey. First we need to boil the water. Now let's get our cup and mix the honey and lemon. We will need 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix those 2 together. Once you have done that, pour in the hot water, which should be around 1 cup or roughly 125 milliliter. Now mix again. Try to drink that before it gets cold. So there you have it. I hope you all get better, and thanks for watching. Please give it a like if the video was helpful, and if it was, please tell me about your experience in the comments below.